Yeah, but I can't.
On 280, 290. And
Yeah,
the full
because it's cold.
Yeah.
Oh, you can adjust your impasse anyway,
Yeah,
can't you?
but the impasse is set to full power.
Yeah, yeah, it is, yeah. Check the camo trainers out. Have you worked it? Oh, I've got my spare man. Okay. Try and get up these biceps, Darius. Is that right there? Just there.
You got a spare?
No, not that. Good for this frame.
Yeah.
You know, it was just going
Bit wobbly.
wrong. You know, it wasn't going straight.
Did it go back to it, boys?
And relax.
Listen, when we're moving up, move up together as well, so we've got a bit of cover. Otherwise, once the guy's moving him gets plugged. We need to protect. By the way. Yeah. Ready to do this?
To your right.
Good call. UTAU!
I don't know.
Darius, bring him here. Big tough hold.
Yeah, we can keep him here.
Yeah.
But we can keep him here.
Trust.
Where is the point to push him forward?
Guy on the left, yeah? Watch the left side.
Straight on this side, yeah?
Yeah. Left side, yeah? Keep him there. Right side, right side.
I mean, like, yeah, look, complete darkness, you don't need that. Like Craig, he needs light in his face to make his glow, whereas the ones for these do it.
Yeah, man. Usually, when I'm looking downstairs,
What about?
Take your hits, come on. No blind firing, please. Good call. Card, please. Can I have your card? Go for it, go for it. Cheers, mate. Hey, fucking bollocks. That's a respawn. Keep. Bug out. Bug out. Stay a few paces back, so if you get shot, you can cover us because you're at Francis there. France, friendly's on that side. fuck off. 3 up. Are you with me, yeah? Come on, let's go. Keep it quiet. Etienne, were these friendlies down here? Is that friendly?
No, it was 20 years, I forgot to.
Okay. Who are these guys? Come on, I did shoot you. What, Etienne, what is going on with this? Come on. Cards, please. Have a.
Yeah.
Right. There's a guy down the floor.
Got him.
Good call. Another guy there, Richard. Utah! Staircase. Oh. Card, please.
Hostage rescue. The hostages are in that area up there. There'll be 3 of them wearing hardy jackets. We'll be up there in that area. One team will start here. They need to get out, grab them and get them back. The other team will start in the loading bay. They need to get out, grab them and get them back. However, we have snipers on the roof. One is already up there. I need a minimum of 1 more. I can't have 2 more. You want to go there? Hey!
Yeah?
Hey! Mamma mia! Hey!
Yes, you want Max. Need to line up a bit.
This is going to be tough because we've got only...
Right, tie a wall, 2 of them.
Go.
We need to move.
Go on then.
We're getting dug in.
Straight forward, yeah.
Yes, Moon, yes. Yes.
Good call.
Come on, lad! Come on!
So we need to get you there. Who's in here?
Both VIPs.
Okay. Do we need to protect these guys? All right.
I'm bringing him back, but I don't know what to do.
Right, Etienne, I'm gonna take Craig to the office. Come on, this motherfucker on the right here is pissing me off. Yeah, isn't it? Good call! Come on. Go on the left as well. I shot you. I shot you there.
I'm gonna do that. Hey. Fuck.
Fuck's sake, Charlie. I'm not shooting it. What? No, but I said cover me. Fuck's sake.
Hand up.
Dead, ma'am.
That's fine. I didn't realise that was in the bike. It's too close to say so. Hey, medic.
I shot you. Ready to. Hands up. Craig, he's down. Yeah. Sorry dude. Oh sorry, I'm so sorry, I just twitchy fingers. Sorry man. Sticking little guy. Watch your left, Glenn, watch your left. Good call. UTAU!